from Autodesk University 2009 in Las Vegas. Hello, I'm Dave Graveline. Welcome to another virtual interview. Philip Raw is the senior designer for Canon Design. Philip, can you tell us more about Canon Design?
Yes. I'm part of Yazdani Studio, which is a laboratory that that explores design technologies and pushes the boundaries of designs. And we are part of a smaller group of a larger international firm.
Mm-hmm. I'm assuming then you have some specific expertise as it relates to your target audience.
Yes, we specialize in healthcare, education, government buildings. And I'm part of a design group that collaborates with other 3D artists, architects, and creative individuals to promote the boundaries of design.
And certainly 3D has its own set of challenges occasionally. What are some of the most prominent challenges that you guys face?
I think when we, as designers, we push the boundaries of design, and we're always faced with a dilemma of how do we present a complex idea to a client so that they could understand the project at multiple levels.
And you told me earlier that you're a charter customer for Project Newport. So first of all, what is Project Newport and your involvement with that?
Project Newport is a new software that Autodesk is working on, and I'm involved in using the software to create, pushing the boundaries of design and see what we can do to improve the software. And hopefully that other people would use it as we would use it.
What are some of the projects you can share with us that you've been using Project Newport with?
We've used on numerous projects, but the one that has been the most challenging has been this project called Lux Lake Bridges project in Chengdu, China. It's basically a city that they're creating in China the size of downtown Chicago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then the client asked us to come up with concepts for about 200 bridges.
200 bridges, yes, as part of this one project?
Yes.
So there must have been some specific challenges, especially the fact that you were working in China on this case?
Yeah, on top of that was the question that we had, or dilemma that we had was, how do we present several bridges at one time? And there are so many multiple complexities that are situated with each project on its site. So we were really stressed out about how to present this type of project.
And it's enough of a challenge that you don't, on top of that, need additional stress. So,
right.
So how did Project Newport help you solve those specific challenges then?
We were able to present the project live. So we had pre-sequenced images, videos, slides, and then when the client came in, we presented the animation, but we were able to stop the animation, zoom in, zoom out, rotate, change materials, enough to a point where the client was involved in the project from the moment we started the presentation.
I would imagine that that made a great impact as well with the client. When you're able to present a design live in that manner, what was their reaction?
First of all, they wanted to find out where they can access the software, and we told them that this is a beta test. But what happened was the client ended up canceling his trip to his next project and staying with us for a week because we couldn't give them the software. He came in almost every day of the week to be part of the projects.
I'm getting the impression that you're enjoying Project Newport. This is something that is helping you not only relieve stress, but allow you to really work with your design concepts a whole lot easier.
Yes, it allowed us to have a clear pipeline, streamlined process in which we can go from the design concept to presentation without stopping or doing anything else to get our documents ready for a meeting or something like that.
Did it take a while to learn Project Newport? Give us a feel for that.
It took me about 2 to 4 weeks to get the basics down, but once we apply it to a project, you find problems and you ask the Autodesk support people, and they help us out with the problems that we faced.
And how would you compare Project Newport to other similar programs that you've used in the past?
I don't think there's anything really like it. I think it combines 3 or 4 different software that we normally use for presentation into one software. But the key part is that we are able to go from design concept to presentation without any lag time.
Is it safe to say that you think it's going to change your business at Canon Design?
I think it has already started. I mean, we've used it on all the projects that we've worked on so far, and every time it has a special impact to the clients and also the presentation.
Terrific. Well, Philip, thanks for spending a few minutes with us here at Autodesk University.
No problem. Thank you very much.